So the motion of the earth around the sun is periodic because the earth takes 365 1 by 4 days to complete one revolution. The movement of moon around the earth is repeated after every 30 days and thus is a periodic motion. And the movement of hands of a clock is also a periodic motion. Now the motion that repeats itself after a regular interval of time, these motions are called periodic motion. And the motion that is not repeated at regular interval of time is called non-periodic motion. For example, the beating of heart is a non-periodic motion because the heartbeats are different when you are running or walking briskly or sitting idle or sleeping. And swinging of your arm while walking is repetitive but not necessarily periodic. Is it clear, children? Periodic and non-periodic motion. Now, children, oscillatory and vibratory motion. Have you taken a ride on a swing? You start with the position of rest and move to and fro while changing the direction. You pass through the state of rest. When you sit on a swing, वो कौन सी पोजीशन होती है? रेस्ट की पोजीशन होती है. आफ्टर दैट आप कौन सी क्या करते हो? टू एंड फ्रो मोशन. So the to and fro motion or vibration of an object about its position of rest is called oscillatory motion. For example, the movement of a pendulum and swing. तो ये कौन सी मोशन हुई? oscillatory motion. अब ये वाइब्रेशन में कैसे चेंज होगी कि हमने oscillatory motion को vibratory motion कब बोलेंगे? So the vibratory motion actually is a very fast to and fro motion. जब मोशन बड़ी फास्ट हो गई तो उसको क्या बोल दिया? Vibratory motion. The movement of string in a musical instrument like guitar or the movement of surface of drum and tabla when played are the examples of vibratory motion. So remember, vibration produces sound, जबकि oscillatory motion में हम कहेंगे sound नहीं produce हुई क्योंकि vibratory motion is a very fast to and fro motion. The faster the vibration, the shriller the pitch of the sound produced. Now children, is it clear? Now you can make difference between vibratory motion and periodic motion. Periodic motion में क्या होता है? The object repeats its motion after a fixed time interval. Is it clear? And जो हमारी oscillatory and vibratory motion है इसमें motion are repetitive and time taken to complete a single oscillation or vibration remains the same. So now today we have completed periodic, non-periodic, oscillatory and vibratory motion. And now children, in my next lecture we will study more than one type of motion, कि how an object can do more than one type of motion. And till then read the chapter and try to find out in between question, and you can also solve exercise work. Till then